Welcome to an LG customer support video. In this short video, we're going to cover some tips on how to get the most out of the burners on your LG gas oven range. Simply using proper cookware and different types of cookware for various foods can lengthen the life of your range and put delicious dinner on the table every time for your family. Your LG gas oven range comes equipped with multiple gas burner sizes to fit your cookware. With 5 burners, you can cook multiple items at the same time. The medium and large burners are the primary burners for most cooking. These general-purpose burners can be turned down from high to low to suit a wide range of cooking needs. The oval burner is for use with a griddle or oval pots. The smallest burner is great for delicate foods, such as sauces or foods that require low heat for a long cooking time. The extra large burner is the maximum output burner. Like the 4 other burners, it can be turned down from high to low for a wide range of cooking applications. This burner is also designed to quickly bring large amounts of liquid up to a boil. This can be used with cookware 10 inches or larger in diameter. As you reduce the heat, keep an eye on the flame, not necessarily the knob. If you need fast heat, the flame size on a gas burner should match the cookware that you're using. Don't ever let the flames extend up the sides of the cookware. This can cause damage to the range, especially the control panel if you're using the back burners. You should always use proper pan size on each individual burner. Don't use small pots with large burners. Instead, match the size of the pot to the proper burner. The burner cap's diameter should be smaller than the diameter of the pot. Don't use pans that are unstable or that can be easily tipped. Try to find cookware with flat bottoms large enough to cover the burner grates. Pans with handles that can be easily grasped and stay cool. Glass cookware designed for top-of-the-range cooking only. To avoid spillovers, make sure the cookware is large enough to contain the food properly. This will both save cleaning time and prevent hazardous accumulation of food, since heavy splattering or spillovers left on the range can ignite. To prevent burns from ignition of flammable materials and spillage, turn the cookware handles toward the side or the back of the range without extending over adjacent burners. See the top-of-the-range cookware section in your user's manual for an in-depth description about the proper cookware to use on your range.